So good afternoon students. So in this video, in previous video we already find a shear force diagram and shear force values. This is the shear force value. And in this video, so we are going to find a calculate a bending moment, maximum bending moment and a BMD diagram. Calculate maximum bending moment and BMD diagram. Calculate maximum bending moment and a BMD diagram. So for this BMD diagram, you can find a bending moment values at every point, that is at B and C at A. So from those values you can elect one maximum value for the maximum bending moment where it is occurs. You can find where it is occurs. So in this for this BMD diagram, you can get a point of contraflexure also. So for if point of contraflexures occurs at one point, you can find that point of contraflexure distance from supports. And first we can find a maximum moments at every point. And for the finding of moments at every point, you can write a bending moment diagram, BMD bending moment diagram. At a BMD bending moment diagram, so for finding of BMD diagram, the UDL formula is WL into L by 2, and the point load formula is W into L. Okay, for finding of movements at every point, you can apply at UDL WL into L by 2. You can apply the formula at point load W into L, and the sign conventions is nothing but downward direction is nothing but negative sign, and upward deflection is nothing but positive sign. Okay, these two are the sign conventions, and these two are the formulas for finding a bending moment at every point. So bending moment denoted letter at B. So bending moment denoted letter B. So first point is B equal to 0. First point is 0. At supports, moment is 0 for simply supported beam. So these are the boundary conditions represented from boundary conditions. The boundary conditions denoted as at supports, bending moment is 0 and bending moment is maximum at center of the beam. So at support nothing but B, so B is nothing but at support. So at support bending moment is 0. At supports bending moment is 0. And next point is C. So C carries so this B to C carries a UDL. From B to C carries a UDL, and at C point it carries a point load, but this point acts as next point, that is A at A. So this UDL acts on C. Moment is nothing but force into distance. So force into distance. You can apply force. You can apply force with the distance also. You can not substitute only force. And here UDL. So UDL in downward direction. So UDL in downward direction. So here is a point load and here is a UDL. So point load is upward direction and UDL is downward direction. And point load upward direction, force into distance. Why? Because here it is a point load. Point load formula is force into distance. Force is 41 and distance is 3. So here it is MC equal to upward direction is nothing but a plus sign. Upward direction is nothing but plus force into distance. So force is 41, distance is 3. Force into distance is 3. Okay, and here it is acting a UDL in downward direction. So downward direction is nothing but negative sign. So UDL formula is force into distance W L into L by 2. So W is 10 into L equal to 3. So WL into L by 2. W equal to 10, L into 3. The distance between B to C is 3. So L by 2. L by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. The answer is 41 into 3. 123 plus 123 minus, here it is 30 and here it is 1.5. So 30 into 1.5, 45. Okay, so the answer is 123 minus 45. So the answer is plus 78. Okay, you can write with signs also. So plus or negative signs also. You can write answer with signs also. So movement at C equal to 78 kilonewton, that is plus 78 kilonewtons. Next point, movement at A. So movement at A automatically comes with 0. So through the process it is also a 0. So if it is you can get a 0 value, your process is correct. you can get a maximum value, your process is wrong. So this, let me check. So this is a from so that every pointer you can substitute, you can coming from B, that is B. At B there is a reaction, so there is a point load and UDL. So here it is one reaction. So reaction is nothing but here reaction is nothing but upward direction, plus 41 into 5, force into distance. 5 is the distance span length and 41 is the reaction. And next point UDL is 5 span length, so WL into L by 2, WL into L by 2. And next is point load. So point load is downward direction. Downward direction is represents a negative sign, and point load represents force into distance. Force is 40 and distance C at the C point from C to A is 2 meters. That is 40 into 2. 40 into 2. So the answer is automatically 0. Let's check the value. That is 41 into 5, 205 minus 205 minus 205 minus 10 into 5, 50, and here it is 50 into 2.5, 125. 50 into 2.5, 125 minus 80. Okay, the answer is 125 into minus 125 minus 80 minus 205. Okay, so minus 205 plus 205 cancel, the answer is 0. Okay, so already I told you that is movement at supports is 0. So MB equal to 0 and MA equal to coming also is 0 value. You can get a 0 value. So through the process you can substitute with the sign conventions and formulas. Compulsory you get a 0 value. Either you miss any sign conventions or you miss the any formulas, you don't get the 0 value. Okay, if you get the 0 value, the procedure is right also. Okay, so with all answers, this is all of the movements at B and C and A. So through these values you can draw a graphical diagram. So in this diagram, so point load represents a inclined line and UDL represents a parabolic shape. So from this diagram, at B equal to 0, so MB equal to 0, and MC equal to plus 78 kilonewtons. So from B to C you can saw a UDL. So UDL in the form of a parabolic line, so that is plus 78 kilonewtons. Okay, parabolic represents a parabolic shape. And next at A, movement at A equal to 0. So 0 is nothing but from 78 this parabolic diagram fall down to 0 value from C to A. You can saw from C to A, this is a UDL. So UDL in the form of a parabolic shape. So the total diagram look like a parabolic curve. The answer is 0. So here 71 kilonewtons and here 71 kilonewton into meter. The units of bending moment is kilonewton into meter. 78. Okay, and this is the bending moment diagram, and this is the positive sign, represents a positive sign. So here, luckily here you cannot get the point of contraflexure. So if you get the point of contraflexure through BMD diagram, so some additional procedure is there. So that is for finding a point of contraflexure distance from supports. That is also a distance is in meters. But here there is a no point load. There is a no point of contraflexure. So the further process is not required for this diagram. But here is a BMD is completed. But here asking a calculate maximum bending moment. Here in previous video you can calculate maximum shear force, that is 49 kilonewtons. So the maximum value from those values, and here the maximum value is 78 kilonewtons. So here therefore the maximum bending moment occurs at C, that is MA equal to 78 kilonewton into meter. 78 kilonewton into meters. Plus 78 kilonewtons. Plus sign represents a sagging. So if you get a negative, so here is a, you can write a hogging. So plus sign, here you can get a positive sign. So that's why here is sagging deflection. The deflection is upwards. Positive sign represents the deflection is upwards, and negative sign represents the deflection is downwards. Okay, so this is the today's class, and you can practice this problem with multiple examples. So this is a very, very important problem. So coming in part C, and question number is 11. Question number is 11A. Question number is 11A. Sorry, question number is 13A. Question number is 13A. Okay, from part C. So carry us a 5 marks. So you can do these all problem. You can get a 5 marks in final exam. Okay, thank you.